How to view someone's followers on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now check on your connection as well. So we have to have a proper stable connection. Now in order to check on or view someone's followers on TikTok, what you can simply do is tap on their profile. So I'm going to select a random profile over here and just select, and let's get into their profile over here. So as we tap on the name, we'll be able to go to their profile over here. So here you'll be able to see, let's tap on it again, and here on their profile we'll be able to see the number of followers they have right over here. We can see following, followers, and the likes over here. So here we can see this number of followers, and that's how easy it is. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.